Articles, a, an, the. In English grammar, definition. Articles are small words that come before nouns to show whether the noun is specific or general. There are two types of articles. Indefinite articles, a, and right-pointing arrow used for general things. Definite article, the, right-pointing arrow used for specific things. Indefinite articles, a, and. Definition. The indefinite articles, a, and, an, are used when talking about something non-specific or not previously mentioned. Rules for using a, and, an. Use a before words that start with a consonant sound. Use an before words that start with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. Examples. I saw a dog in the park. Any dog, not a specific one. She wants to buy a book. Any book, not a particular one. I ate an apple for breakfast. Apple starts with a vowel sound. Definite article, the. Definition. The definite article, the, is used when talking about something specific or something already known to the listener. Rules for using the. Use the when both the speaker and listener know what is being talked about. Use the before unique things. Only one in the world. Use the with superlative adjectives. Examples. The sun is shining brightly. There is only one sun. I saw the dog you were talking about. A specific dog. She is the best singer in the competition. Superlative adjective. We visited the Eiffel Tower. A unique place. Summary. A and an are used for general, non-specific nouns. The is used for specific, known, or unique nouns. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe.